Today, we're going to talk about something that instantly makes your Spanish sound way more natural. Knowing when to use lo que versus el que. Hola, I'm Ana y bienvenido de vuelta a Spanish 55. Mira, él es el que me ayudó. ¿Cuándo? ¿No te conté lo que me pasó? Necesitaba ayuda con mi auto y él me ayudó. Es un buen mecánico. It is easier than you think. Lo que is used when you're talking about an action, an idea, or something a little vague. Not a specific person or thing. Think of it like saying what or the thing that in English. For example, no entiendo lo que dijiste. Haz lo que quieras. Notice you're not pointing to a person or an object directly. You're talking about something more general, like an action or a situation. If it is a concept, an idea, or an action, use lo que. Before we get into el que, I just want to say that if you ever feel stuck trying to put this into practice, that is exactly why Spanish 55 exists. Having a coach that corrects you and explains it helps you put it into practice in real life and is there for you to boost your Spanish language process. That makes all the difference. If you want, you can book your first consultation completely free. No strings attached. No info needed by using the link in the description. Check it out. Now, el que and its friends, la que, los que, and las que are used when you're referring to a very specific person or thing. It's like saying the one who or the thing that in English. For example, ella es la que ganó el premio. Busco el que tiene descuento. See the difference? You're not talking about a vague action or concept anymore. You're pointing at something or someone very real and specific. Now get ready because I'm about to give you a cheat code to remember this forever. Here's the fastest way to remember it. If you're talking about something abstract, use lo que. If you're talking about something specific, use el que. One is for ideas floating in the air. The other is for things or people you can literally point at. Now, let's do a quiz. But I just want to say that if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my recent video on how to learn 3 Spanish tenses in 5 minutes. I'll leave you the link in the description box too. Let's do a quick check. I'll say the sentence in English and you decide lo que or el que. Ready? Vamos. I love what you said. Lo que dijiste. I'm looking for the one who helped me. El que me ayudó. I don't understand what happened. Lo que me pasó. She's the one who lives next door. La que vive al lado. And hey, if you want more real-life Spanish tips, the ones you will not find in a textbook, check out our podcast, Conquering Spanish. We share real struggles, real breakthroughs, and those aha moments that make learning Spanish so worth it. You'll love it. Nos vemos!